Okay, hello students. Our topic for today is about key value database schema under the NoSQL topic. So remember in NoSQL, it doesn't use any relation. So here is an example of a table. We call it the student relation or the student table. So how do we convert the student relation to a key value database schema? So here we have the example. So remember this pattern, we have the table name, colon, primary key value, colon, attribute name equal to value. So in this example, our table name is student. So let me just show here with my pointer. So we have here the student as the table name. So we write here the student. And then the primary key, we have here the primary key value, which is the 16S143. So colon 16S143. Colon, we have the attribute name. So attribute means column also. So we have the SF name equal to the value. So we have the key and then this is the value. Okay. So SF name equal to Ahmed. So Ahmed is here and then we use the double quotation. Okay. And then in the next line, we will do for the phone and then this value. So we have student still and then 16S143 colon SP phone. So we have the student phone and then the value is 952.147.85. So in one record in the student relation or table, we have two lines. Okay, one for the phone and one for the SF name. Now for the second one, we have the uh, table name again, student, and then the primary key value, which is 16J7890, and then colon the attribute name, we have Wafa, so equal to Wafa. So for data type, for our string or characters, we're using double quotation mark, and also for the date. Then another attribute, we have the phone. So we have student 16J7890 colon S phone equal to 9963145. So this is for WAFA. Okay, so that's how we write the key value database schema. So in this example, we have the table employee, then the primary key is 100, then we have to write the emp name, which is Laika. And then again, 100, M address, Albatina Sohar. And again, MID 100, we have 1/21/1980 for the M birth date. So here it is in the example. So we have employee, the table name, 100 is the primary key value. The attribute name is emp name and then equal to Laika Almamari. Okay, this is the value, this is the key, and then this is the value. That's why it's called the key value database schema. Again, table name, primary key, the attribute, and then the value. Table name, primary key, attribute, and then the value. So that's only for Laika. Then we do also for Khalid, okay, and also for Rania. So we have here as the answer. So we have, this is for Khalid and this is for Rania. Okay, so that's for key value. Now, how about for the document-oriented database? So it works like your key value. Okay, our database is called database, but our table is called collection, and our records are called documents. So how do we do the document-oriented? So just the same, we have the student relation, and we want to convert this to a document-oriented database. So what you need to write, the only difference is that we're using here the curly brace. And then we have here the ID, or we can put the ID, SID, colon, and then the value. We have here 16S143, comma, and then SF name here. Then we have Ahmed, comma, and then SP phone, we have the value here. So that's for one record for Ahmed. And then close that one, and then another curly brace for the second record. We have SID, so you can put your SID colon, then the ID number, SF name, which is Wafa, SP phone with this one. So one record, one set of curly brace, one record, one set of curly brace. In the example, we have again employee, and then the primary key, we have the MID, attributes, we have emp name, emp address, and then the emp date. So in one set of curly brace, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. So we have here the emp ID. So just write emp ID here. Okay, so attributes, we have EID, emp name, address, and birth date. So we just use the colon and double quotes for string. But I know for also for the date, you have to use the double quotes. Okay, separated by comma. So one record, one set for the second record, Khalid, and one set for Rania. So that's it for document-oriented database schema for the NoSQL database type. Okay, so please practice and try in your assessment.